In this video, we'll talk about the Alpaka Elements Travel Backpack. First, we will see the fit on male and female, then a quick tour of the backpack and the features. After this, the pros and cons, then a pack with me. Just after, the boring part, the specs, and finally, who is this backpack for? Let's go! So let's go for a quick tour of this backpack. We'll see the exterior feature and then the interior features. As you can see, it's all in black. You have a water bottle on the left side right here. You have some loops, some things like this to attach some gear. You have the same on the bottom. You can remove them, but you can put a mattress or something like this. It's very versatile as a bag. You have a handle on the side right here. You have a handle on the top right here. No handle on this side and no water bottle on this side. You have a pocket that we will see right after. And the harness system is pretty good. You have load lifters and it's a diamond pattern on this. We will talk about it later. Going back to the front, you have a pretty nice front. You have a special pocket right here and with a flap. It's not aquaguard and it's orange honeycomb in the interior right here. So you have this small pocket where you can put small stuff and it's very interesting pocket. Then on the side, one of the key features of the bag is this side pocket that you can access by sliding the bag, and then it's orange in the inside like this. You have another pocket right here where you can fit some stuff, and you have some sleeves like this where you can also fit stuff. This pocket I really like because when you have this big backpack on you, you can slide it and you can have like a little sling on the side right here. Then on the back, like I said, load lifters. You have a sternum strap, magnetic, standard with Alpaka. You have a handle here to put like a luggage pass-through or to handle the bag like this. It's not centered, so for some people it may be a concern. The padding is really good here. And it's kind of standard padding, but here it's diamond padding. It's weird when it's on you, but it's very comfortable. You have also an optional hip belt. You saw it in the video outside, but I will put it after to show you how to put it. It's also the diamond pattern, and you have some pockets right here, some zip pockets to put some little stuff on it. I usually don't use it with the hip belt because then when you remove it, it's a little big. If you don't wear it for a long period of times, and if it's not full, I think it will be okay. Talking about the other pockets, I showed you this front pocket, I showed you the side pocket. Now it's divided into 3 compartments. We'll begin with the first one, which is kind of the admin panel in the air fashion. Air travel backpacks, it's the kind of the same philosophy. Here you have a little mesh pocket, here another one with a AirTag pouch here. You can put your AirTag inside. Then here you have some loops like this for the Alpaka hub thing. It's pretty spacious, so it goes until here. Here you have 2 pen holders and here some sleeve like this. And finally the little pocket here that goes like this. So not too big, but it's fine. You have the branding here, and in the interior, since I have the X-Pac VX42, it's orange honeycomb like you saw before. I didn't talk about it, but the branding is very small, like you can see it here on Alpaka. Then we go to the main compartment, and the main compartment is this stuff right here. So you can see also some loops for the Alpaka hub thing. Then you have some mesh pockets here, one here, and then one here. After this, you also have some pockets on the side here. So you have one pocket like this, another one here, and also 2 more on the side right here. So that's pretty interesting, a lot of space to put your stuff. The only thing I want you to notice is in this part it's pretty large, and this part is smaller, so you cannot fit a lot on the top part of the bag. Before I showed you the laptop compartment, just to let you know that it's YKK zippers and you can lock them with a lock. As you can see right here, there is a hole in between and you can put a lock in both zippers. You can do this in the admin panel, you can do this in the main compartment, and you can also do this on the laptop compartment that we will open right here, and it's YKK AquaGuard zippers all around. The laptop compartment, it's like this. You have a big compartment like this and a tablet sleeve, and finally you have the padded laptop compartment with a false bottom, a pretty big false bottom. It's going until here, I think, and yeah, you have a little loop here. I don't really know what it is for. Yeah, it's for this. Okay, I know it now. And yeah, that's about it. I think we talked about everything. Maybe the bottom part, it's not the same material. It's a standard kind of, I'm not sure it's Cordura, but it looks like Cordura on the bottom, whereas here it's X-Pac. And here you have the buckles like this to put some stuff under your bag, and you can of course remove this. Talking now about the pros and cons of this bag, we'll begin with the cons. As always, 3 cons, 3 pros. The first con for me is it doesn't feel like 35 liter. 35 liter is a pretty big backpack. It's true, it's tall, but I don't have something to measure it, so I cannot confirm it, but it feels small compared to other bags. Then the second con for me, they're not so big of cons, so I think it's a pretty good backpack. Here you can see the diamond pattern. It's pretty weird. It's not bad, it's not comfortable, it's just weird. The contact points on you are little contact points like this. It's not like other backpacks. It's better, I think, for breathability, so maybe it's a breakthrough, but it's a little weird when you're not used to this. But yeah, that's not really a con. And the last part is, although it doesn't feel maybe like 35, but it's pretty heavy for a backpack like this. If I'm not mistaken, it's about 1.6 kilograms. Maybe it depends on the material, but this is about 1.6 kilograms, which is pretty heavy for a backpack like this. I had before the Peak Design Travel Backpack 30 liter, it was 1.4 kilogram, I think, and I found it already pretty heavy. I like my bags very light, so yeah, that's not really the case here. But if you are bigger than me, if you are more muscular, maybe it's not a concern at all for you. After talking about the cons, we will talk about the pros, because there are a lot of pros with this bag. So the first one is the build quality. We know it from Alpaka, it's very good build quality. The materials are nice. It's X-Pac, YKK zippers, AquaGuard all around. The interior is honeycomb. You have the diamond pattern. Everything is really cool, really nice. You just have the strap. It could have been also a con. You cannot adjust it wherever you want. You can just adjust it to the different settings right here. And then you have also Alpaka branding here that is a little bit maybe less premium than the rest of the bag. It's laser cut, I think, but it's kind of okay. Then the second pro for me is the good organization. So as on air backpacks, I really like the admin panel like this with a lot of organization. On the main compartment, we saw that you have some mesh here, some mesh on the sides, you have mesh everywhere, and then you have this secret pocket here. Maybe the only thing that could have been added is a top loading pocket like Air is doing, but it's already pretty good. And then the last pro for me, I think, is a side pocket. Some people we don't like it because they want maybe a second water bottle pocket. I don't care about a second water bottle pocket. I like to have a quick access pocket like this, and this does the job pretty well. It's a little weird at first, but I really enjoy this one. So let's go for a pack with me. I put a lot of stuff inside. It's close to the 9 kilograms. I just measured it. So what do you see here? First, you have the water bottle on the side, on the water bottle pocket. Perfect. Then you have the small little pocket here. I put some little stuff like tissues and a mask, but you can put whatever you want inside. That's for this. Then the side access quick pocket on this side, as you can swing the bag around and access it. I put a phone like this. Then I put in this pocket with the zipper my trusty wallet right here. Then we have access to the admin panel on the top right here, and what we have inside is first here some earbuds, Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros right here. Then on the bottom here we have access to a Pokey V90 to play some video games. Then I have a pen here, I have some sunglasses here, and here I have a battery to power all my things. I didn't put anything in this pocket, but you can put stuff inside. After this, we have access to the main compartment. Right here, what did I put inside the main compartment? First of all, here I have a speaker, then I have here an umbrella, then I have here a towel to go to the beach, then I have here a rain jacket packable, then I have here a tree kit, then I have here a Peak Design S packing cube, then I have here a not so filled Peak Design M packing cube. And then you can put some little stuff on the sides here. I didn't put anything. And last but not least is the laptop compartment here. So I put my Kindle inside here, okay. And finally my big 15.6 MSI laptop right here. And that's about what you can put inside here. I had a little bit more space, but that's already pretty much what you can put. Talking a little bit about the specs. Well, first of all, they talk about the fact that it's 35 liter. I'm not really 100% sure of this. I cannot really monitor it now, but we will trust them on this. The second measurement I can do is the height. They say it's 52 centimeters in height. Let's check it out. I will do something like this. Well, and if I do this, yeah, it's about 52, a little less, but yeah, most of it's 52, which is a really nice thing since it measures what they say, and it's not always the case. For the width, they say it's 31 centimeters, which is also the case, so perfect. And then for the depth, it depends, but it keeps its shape a lot, I think. So it's about 20, and 20 is about the right measurement. So that's really good. Then talking about the weight, they say it's 1.6 kilogram, which is a little bit on the heavy side. We will check it out right now. For the material, like I already say, it's X-Pac VX42 in the black right here, and the interior is orange with other materials that are really nice. YKK zippers all around, AquaGuard, very, very good build quality. Something I want to show you is the e-belt and how you attach it. Like I said, the e-belt is like this. You have some little pockets with the X-Pac here, some little pockets here. Then you have a buckle in the middle. And then you have some scratch in the middle here to put it, some scratch on the other side, and also some things to attach it, but you're not obliged to put them. And here, like on the Peak Design backpacks, you have some scratch, and other backpacks, you have some scratch here, and then you just fill this through the hole, and then it will work. So if I'm not mistaken, it should be something like this. I just put it like this perfectly, then I find the scratch right here, and that's about it. Now I just put the e-belt. I can buckle it up like this, and you can see it. I can also attach this to the little loops here if I want it to be in a tighter fit, but I'm not obliged to do this. And here you go. Who is this backpack for? If you're in search of a travel backpack, kind of the same as a Peak Design travel backpack 30 liter or the Air Travel Pack 3, this is a very good alternative to those two. It's definitely a little on the tall side, but like the other two backpacks, so it will fit maybe better the people with a big frame rather than the ones with a smaller frame, but it can also do. If you are also in search of a backpack like this, so to travel, or if you have a lot of things to carry on your EDC, or if you need a backpack because you are a dad, a diaper backpack or something like this, I will also suggest you this backpack which came to me. It's a very special one, Reignias Roy G. It has a lot of pockets on the front, but it can be very, very useful, especially for those dads and for the diaper bag. It's really a good one for this usage. So go check it out. I have a video on it. It will be somewhere here. Yeah, but back to this one. Well, I can only recommend it. It has a lot of nice features, not a lot of cons. If you have more questions, feel free to ask them in the comment down below. If I were to give it it a mark, I will give it a 8.5 out of 10. I don't find a lot of cons on this backpack. I find it pretty nice, but it's maybe not exactly for me in all the way. I don't need so much features maybe, but maybe you do. And if you do, then you can buy it with a link down below. If you watched until here, it's because you like the content, so don't forget to like and subscribe to this video to see more reviews of backpacks, tech, and a lot more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.